In this quick video, you are going to see how SQL Server optimizes Tempdb logging, which means your inserts, updates and deletes may go much faster in Tempdb as compared to a user database. Let's straight away jump into a demo. I'm going to use AdventureWorks 2016 as the user database. Let's go ahead and create a test table here, which has one column called name. And now we are going to insert 10,000 records into this table. Inserting 10,000 records here may take about 7 to 8 seconds. And I am going to perform the same operation in Tempdb, and you will observe that in Tempdb this goes much faster. Now this has taken about 9 seconds here. Keep that in mind. Let's change the database context to Tempdb and let's create the same object test table and insert 10,000 records. And now you will observe that this just takes less than a second, and you can see in this, so the inserts have gone much faster. So what's the secret behind this? Let's and now just go and look into the log records. So I'm going to use this function called fn_db log to see the log records for AdventureWorks 2016 as well as for Tempdb. The key thing that you will see here is the log record length. So for AdventureWorks 2016, you can see that 8,100 bytes for each insert. This is the amount of log record that was created. And for Tempdb, it's much shorter. Now, the reason why this is happening is because SQL Server does not have to perform a redo operation for Tempdb. Remember, Tempdb is a throwaway database. It gets created every time SQL Server restarts. So while SQL Server has to perform an undo as well as redo operation for user databases in case it crashes, but for Tempdb, it does not have to do the redo operation, and that information is not logged. And that is the reason why you will see minimal logging. So whether you call it minimal logging or optimized logging, this is how Tempdb behaves. For much better explanation and more detailed explanation, do visit sqlmaestros.com or sqlservergeeks.com, and whichever platform you're watching this video on, do subscribe and share it with your friends and colleagues. I am available on Twitter, a_Bansal. Do follow me there. See you soon in another video. Thank you.